Now we will study conventional current. Conventional current means the current which flows from positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of battery is called as conventional current. Suppose this is a simple series circuit. Simple series circuit. So here current flows through resistance R. Current flows through resistance R from positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of the battery. This current is called as conventional current. Means current direction of conventional current is from positive terminal to negative terminal. This current is called as conventional current. And what is electron current? A current which flows from negative terminal of battery to the positive terminal. It is called as electron current. Okay. So current direction of conventional current is from positive terminal to negative terminal. Okay. Then we will see some symbols used in electric circuit. So first is voltage. Voltage. AC voltage. AC voltage is indicated like this. This is AC voltage. Then its unit is volt and letter is E or V. E or V. Then DC voltage. DC voltage is indicated like this. This is a DC voltage. It is battery and it is indicated by letter V or E. Then AC and AC or DC current. AC or DC current. It is indicated like this. AC or DC current. Current. AC or DC. Okay. Then resistance. Resistance is shown like this. This is the symbol of resistance. This is a symbol of fixed resistance. It is a fixed resistance and its unit is ohm. Ohm. And inductance. Symbol is like this. Inductance. Its unit is it is indicated by letter L, and its unit is Henry. Then capacitance. Capacitance capacitor is indicated like this. This is a fixed capacitor or like this. This is a non-polar capacitor and this is polar type capacitor. Means capacitor having positive and negative polarity. It is a polar capacitor or electrolytic capacitor. This is a non-polar capacitor. The non-polar capacitors are ceramic capacitor or paper capacitor, and polar capacitor is electrolytic type capacitor. Okay. Then impedance is also shown like this. Impedance, it is indicated by letter Z. Impedance, it is indicated by letter Z, and its unit is ohm, impedance. Then reactance is also indicated like this, just like resistance, and it is shown by letter X. There are two types of reactances, inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Inductive reactance is indicated by letter XL, and capacitive reactance is indicated by letter XC, and its unit is also ohm. Reactance. Okay, so these are the symbols. Now we will study some units and their conversions. So higher units, giga is the higher unit, and giga, suppose we have to measure frequency in gigahertz. So 1 gigahertz is equal to 10 raised to 9 hertz. So 10 raised to 9 giga, that is 10 raised to 9. Mega, that is equal to 10 raised to 6. Means 1 megahertz is equal to 10 raised to 6 hertz. Okay, 1 megahertz, it is a higher unit. So 1 megahertz, it is equal to 10 raised to 6 hertz. Okay, then kilo 10 raised to 3. Then some fractional units, milli, that is 10 raised to minus 3. Suppose current is 1 milliampere in circuit, current is 1 milliampere, then if it is to be converted into ampere, so 1 milliampere is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. So this is a small unit or fractional unit. So milli means it is if it is to be converted into amperes, then we have to multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3. So 1 milliampere means 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Okay, then micro, it is also small unit, and that is 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to minus 6. Then nano, 10 raised to minus 9. Suppose current is 1 nanoampere. 1 nanoampere means 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 ampere. 1 nanoampere means 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 ampere. Then pico, that is 10 raised to minus 12. Suppose a capacitor is 1 picofarad. The 1 picofarad means 1 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad. 1 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad means picofarad is converted into farad. So 1 picofarad means 1 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad. Okay. So we will stop here.